Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Now Beauty Clams. On this video I'll be showing you guys how I make this beautiful makeup tutorial. Yes guys, please, if today is your first time of coming across my video, please subscribe, put on the notification bell because I'll put a new video so you'll be the first person to be notified. And for my returning subscribers, may God bless you. Yes guys, on this video I will be showing you guys how I made this glitter eyeshadow tutorial. It's very easy and easy to learn. Alright guys, let's learn together. Okay guys, see you around the corner. Keep watching. Bye. So guys, now I will just use this soap to lay down my eyebrows before I line my eyebrows, so that it will be very satin for me and it will be very easy for me to line. This method is very good for beginners. Okay, if you don't know how to line your eyebrows, I suggest you use this method. It's the best method ever. Okay. So now I'm going to line my eyebrows. As you can see, the way I'm just lining it, I'm just lining it a little bit, like without pressure, you know. So because I used this soap, it was very dried and easy for me. Okay, as you can see, it's very easy. So I'm just lining it a little bit. When I get to the top, I give it a little bit of space so that I can brush it in. You can see the way I'm just shading it. I'm just shading it a little bit. I don't want it to be that darker, you know. So I'm just giving it a little bit of shade. You see the way I did the edge of the brows. I'm just lining it just the way my brows are. So now I will just brush it out so that it will look a little bit natural at the edge. So now I will be cleaning my eyebrows with the concealer. So if you're a beginner, you don't know how to clean your concealer, you can just do it the way I did mine on this video. Okay, I just line it straight, then begin to drag it down like that. It will be very easy for you to line. And if you don't know how to blend out your concealer, I suggest you use a foundation. Okay, because foundation is light and is not difficult to blend. It's very easy to blend, so you can use your foundation. So if you are good at blending your concealer, you can also use your concealer. Okay. So now I just add a little bit of concealer around my crease and blend it in. Make sure it's well blended. Okay, you can see the way I'm blending it. Yes. So I'll be using this palette. I'll be using the brown. Okay, I'll be using the brown and the shading at my transition. So I will just be tapping. Okay, I will just be blending it in, blending it out, blending it in, blending it out. So guys, this is the color I'll be using. I'll be using the orange color. I'll be applying it at my crease, my transition area. So I will just be blending it in, out, just the way I did the brown. guys, I will be cutting my crease with the same concealer I use in cleaning my brows. Okay, as you can see, just if I'm doing it, I'm just doing it a little bit, like carefully, so that I won't mess up the whole thing. Okay, so I'm just applying the concealer, line it, drag it, line it, drag it, line it, drag it. So like that, you won't make any mistake. Okay. So now I'll be using the orange color, so I will just be applying the eyeshadow as the concealer is still very wet. Okay, so that it will get dry together. Okay, so I'm just applying the orange color to it. I will be using the color combination, the orange color and the yellow. Okay, so I will be adding orange color glitter and yellow glitter. Okay. Now I'll be adding the yellow. As you can see, I'm just doing it carefully. I'm just tapping it, tapping it, tapping it. Okay, I don't have to drag it because the concealer is still very wet, so I just have to tap it so that the color will pop out very well. So guys, this is the glitter primer. I just have to apply the glitter primer before I apply my glitter. Okay. So guys, this is the look after I apply my glitter. Yeah, I love this eyeshadow. It's really beautiful. I love it. Okay. So this is the primer I will be using. It's matte, so it will give my face that dry look. So guys, this lipstick I got it from Shine. Like guys, this lipstick is very beautiful. I love the lipstick. It gives my lip that natural look. Like guys, you can go and check it out. Okay, I'll put down the link at the description box so you can go and check it out. They have a lot of makeup cosmetic in a very low price. Okay, so you don't have to break your bank to get makeup cosmetic or spend a lot of money on makeup cosmetics. Okay, so you can just go and check it out. They have a lot of things like foundation, concealer, lipstick, highlight, like anything you want, anything about makeup, they have it, and you can also get it in a very low price. So guys, please go and check it out. Okay, so guys, I did a color combination on my lip. I added a little bit of concealer to it. Okay, so instead of me using eyeliner on my waterline, I decided to use the black eyebrow. Okay, sorry guys, eye pencil. I decided to use the black eye pencil because of beginners. Okay, so that is it. So guys, this is the outcome of the makeup. What do you think about the look? I know the look is beautiful. Yeah, I really tried. Like guys, I'm improving every day. I'm improving. Like they said, practice makes perfect. I normally use this word in my videos. Like, yes guys, yes, I love the look, I love the outcome. Like guys, in fact, I don't know what to say.